Hey guys, welcome back. As I mentioned before, in this video, I'm going to show you how I fold my bath towels. So let me get the camera set up and I'll be back on the video. This will be a very short video. So stand by. Okay. So what I'm doing right now, I'm going to fold my washcloths and my hand towels. So basically what I do is I just take my washcloth and just take the tag on the inside and fold it inward. Take my hand and sort of like hand press it and then fold it again. So what you're gonna do is I'm folding the bath towels up first. The washcloths up first. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take, the washcloth, the tag. So turn the washcloth until the inside or the tag side of the washcloth is facing up. I'm gonna fold it once this way, hand press, turn it over, and fold. Let me do that again. Tag on the inside, fold it towards the other end of the washcloth, hand pressed, and then fold that in half. Got it? So let's do the hand towel. Again, the tag on the inside, I'm gonna fold it midway, hand press. I'm gonna turn this towel over this way, hand press, and I'm gonna fold like maybe 1/3 of the way up, then 2/3, and then I'm gonna put this on the inside, and that's gonna wrap up that one. Let's do it again. I'm gonna do it slower this time. So, hand press, put the tag side up, come halfway in the middle of the towel, hand press, bring the other side over top of the other side that you just placed down. You're gonna go up 1/3, that's 1, 2, and then you're gonna tuck the other end inside, that makes it 3, so that when you look at it, it looks neat, like in the department store. Let's do the towels. And the towels, I have to move some pillows. Towels will be the same concept as hold on. Let's get these out the way so that you can see. The towel will be the same concept as the hand towel. Again, take the towel, tag side up, tag is right here. I'm gonna go halfway in to the towel, hand press. So make sure you don't go too far in, guys. Just go halfway up, okay? Hand press, and take the other side and fold it over. And hand press, and you're gonna go probably 1/4. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, and here's the 4th one. You're gonna tuck it. Same thing we did for the hand towels, with the same concept for these towels. So let me do it again. You want to hand press, tag side up, come halfway to the middle of the towel, okay? Hand press, because you want it to be nice and neat. Fold the other side on top of the other side, on top of the tag side, okay? Hand press. And the inside of the towel is not, it's not bulging. It should be some space there. So you want to come up 1/4, 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th side, you're going to fold under and then place it back. And that's how you get a nice folded towel, okay? All right, buddy. That's how I fold my towels. So let me know if you have any questions about folding towels. So my next video, I'm going to show you how I fold my sheets. It's relatively easy once you start doing it. I don't just throw my towels and sheets in a linen closet because it's too small. And I have quite a few sheets and towels. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to fold the sheets. And then in another video, I'm going to show you how my linen closets are organized. I have 2 linen closets. I'm going to show you how those are organized. So thank you for watching this quick tutorial. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And be good to yourself and each other. And be safe. God love you and have a good evening. Deuces.